Hello and welcome to the Broken Sound Real Estate Report. My name is Claude Champagne with Champagne and Parisi Real Estate, and today is Saturday, December the 20th. Tomorrow is the first day of winter. There's currently 80 homes for sale in Broken Sound, and this week there's one new listing located in Fairway Bend listed at $565,000. Right now there's 8 homes under contract in Broken Sound, and so far this year, 84 homes sold and closed in Broken Sound. And this past week, there was 2 homes that sold, and they are located at 5651 Northwest 24th Terrace in the Cloisters. This 2,400 square foot homes was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, listed at $449,000, and it sold for $440,000. The next one, located at 5856 Northwest 24th Avenue, that is in Nassau Bay, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with 2,500 square feet under air, listed at $278,000, and it sold for $245,000. Congratulations to the buyers and sellers. Remember, you have till the end of the month to list your home with Champagne and Parisi at the great rate of 4.5%. Take advantage of this promotion and save a lot of money. Please call us at 561-703-4727. Now next week, I'm going to spend my holiday vacations in Quebec City, so there will be no Broken Sound Real Estate Report. I'd like to wish all of you a happy and healthy holiday season. Happy Hanukkah. Merry Christmas, everybody. And I will see you next year.